Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another monthly favorites video. Songs, movies, makeup, beauty, any products that I have been loving throughout the month, I would do a video on it. And lately, I don't know what it is, but I just haven't kept up with them. And like the last year or so, I haven't done a monthly favorites video. So I asked you guys on my Facebook page if that is something that you would want to see again on my channel, if monthly favorites are a thing that you would want to see again. And a lot of you said yes. So in today's video, we are going to be doing September 2018 favorites. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. We have a whole bunch of stuff today. Sorry if you can hear any noise. It is like bucketing down with rain right now. There's a thunderstorm, so if you hear thunder, if you see weird lights, it's probably lightning, and if you can hear the rain, then I'm sorry. And also excuse my background. You can probably see through the little slits here that I am currently covering up my Halloween background. For those of you who have also been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know exactly what my Halloween background is for, so if you can kind of see that, just ignore it. I didn't want to completely remove the background, so I have this little thing behind me so it kind of covers it up a little. The first thing that I want to start out with for this video is September 24th is 1 month since my dad passed away. My dad passed away August 24th at about 9:30 in the morning from colon cancer. He was diagnosed back in May, and he went to the hospital in July, and he passed away a month later in August. So September is the 1 month anniversary that my dad has been gone. I did several vlogs about it. I vlogged me picking up his ashes. I vlogged the whole experience that we had with like hospice and everything. So a lot of you guys know everything that's been going on, and I just want to, from the bottom of my heart, I want to greatly say thank you to everyone who has shown me support. Thank you for everyone who has sent me good vibes and prayers. I really do appreciate it, and so does my family. We're all doing okay. I'm doing okay. Everything that we are all experiencing is very normal. It's very much a part of the grieving process. I feel much more at peace with everything because we did get to spend that time with him, and I miss him dearly, but I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who sent me all the support and love. I really do appreciate it, and I want to say that it's going to get easier, and I'm sure some days it will be easier and some days it won't. I think about him every minute, every second of every day. I talk to him constantly. I have gotten a few signs from my dad as well, which has been absolutely amazing, but I just wanted to first get that out of the way in this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that I want to share with you guys is something that I have been working on for the past few months, and it is finally a reality. I do have a whole separate video on this if you guys are interested, so I'm just going to touch on this really quick so I don't have to sit here and talk for 15 minutes about it. But that is my merch. I officially have BreeAnn Barbie merch now. If you guys remember from a few months ago when I did my own personalized phone case with Musetta phone cases, this was really successful. A lot of people really liked the phone case, and then there was talk about creating merch. So for my very first merch, you know, we kind of talked about different designs that we want to do, but for the first starting off point, we wanted to get t-shirts with the matching design on them. So here are what the t-shirts look like. They're just a nice soft black t-shirt, and they have the exact same design on the front where they have the tiger and my BreeAnn Barbie signature. So if you guys are interested in getting your own BreeAnn Barbie merch, there is always a link in the description box of my videos now. All my future videos will have a link to it. The next favorite that I have for the month of September is actually a BB cream, and I usually do not wear BB creams just because I am someone who really likes full coverage kind of makeup. I really like heavy foundation, but I did see this on CoverGirl's Instagram, and I did find it at a dollar store near me actually. This was not sent to me in PR. Yes, I do get PR from CoverGirl every now and again, but I do like to go out and buy my own products because I feel like that's just my job as a consumer. So the BB cream I'm talking about is the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream for oily skin, and here's what the packaging looks like. It is very similar to the Ready Set Gorgeous foundation packaging, which I do really like that foundation. And this one is in the shade 520 Light. I'm not kidding you guys. This might as well be a foundation. This is some of the best BB cream I have ever tried in my life. But this one is specifically formulated to keep you matte, and it is also specifically formulated for people with oily skin. On the back it says, CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream provides the perfect amount of coverage to even skin tone, hide blemishes, and keep you shine free all day. This is oil-free, it doesn't clog your pores, it's suitable for sensitive skin, and it lasts all day. This is definitely my go-to for work now, so I really wanted to share this with you guys and let you know how much I love it. This, like I said, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, and I highly encourage you guys to try this out because it is amazing. Now, since it is a BB cream, there isn't like 40 different shades to choose from. I think they just have the standard light, medium, dark. The next product I want to share with you is actually a lip combo that I have discovered recently, and I absolutely love it. I'm actually wearing it on my lips today. I know a lot of you probably already left comments as to what I'm wearing on my lips, and that is a lip combo from two lip products that I have. The first one is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Posh Spice. This was literally like my third bottle of this stuff. This is one of my favorite shades from Jeffree Star. Posh Spice, Celebrity Skin, and Mannequin are my top 3 favorite nudes from his collection. They're all permanent, so they are all on his site. It just kind of depends on when he restocks those certain shades. And then over top of that, I like to use this lipstick. And again, it is another CoverGirl product, so I'm sorry if this is annoying. These lipsticks and a whole bunch, I think I had like 47 lipsticks sent to me from CoverGirl. These are the CoverGirl Exhibitionist lipsticks, and they come in cream, demi-matte, and metallic shades. This one is a cream, and this is in the shade 225 Dulce de Leche. So after I put on a layer of Posh Spice and after it dries completely matte, because this is a liquid lipstick, I like to put a thin layer of this lipstick over top of it, and as you can see, it is like covered in Posh Spice because I love pairing these two up. It was a total accident how I discovered this, but I absolutely fell in love with it. As you can see, I do use quite a bit of this over top, and it just gives you that nice kind of like nude gray color, but it also gives you that really nice kind of shine and moisturized lip look. These two are literally like a match made in heaven. You put them together, they do a little thing, they have a baby, and it turns out like this. It's amazing. I love it. Let me know what you guys think of this lip combo. Do you like it? Have you tried this? Or do you want to try this? If so, give it a go. These are the 2 lip products that I love. Moving on to the next product that I have is kind of like a skincare product. Now, if you guys watch my video that I uploaded, I believe it was August 29th, I did a full video talking about me getting off the birth control pill, and that was a whole personal decision, and I talk more in depth about that video as to why I got off of it, how I'm feeling, you know, things like that. And lately, since I've been getting off the birth control pill, I have noticed that my forehead has been really breaking out. And before I was ever on birth control, that's where a majority of my acne would end up, is on my forehead. And then the whole time I was on birth control, my forehead pretty much stayed clear most of the time. And since being off the pill, I have noticed that it has really started to break out again. So I've been trying to tackle my skin and really kind of stepping up my skincare game. And this product is by Charlotte Leroy. I don't know how to pronounce it. They actually sent me these products quite a while ago, and I did a full skincare routine video on them, and I talked about them in other videos and how much I really liked them. And I'm the kind of person where I really like to switch up my skincare a lot. I do still have these products, and I do still use them on a regular basis, and I recently pulled them out again. And the product that I have really been liking is the Charlotte Leroy Day Spot Treatment Gel, and it just looks like this. As you can see, it is more than halfway gone. I absolutely love this stuff. If you're someone who struggles with really big acne spots, or you struggle with acne in general, I highly recommend this stuff. Every night in the shower, I will rinse off my makeup, I will wash my face really good, I'll exfoliate a few times a week. Then when I get out of the shower, I apply a little bit of moisturizer, and on top of that, I put this stuff right here. Just this little tiny bottle, and it's just like a clear serum, and I take maybe like a fingertip full, and I'll just kind of spread it all over my forehead, on my cheeks. If I have like a really big zit on my chin, I'll put it on there. And literally by the time morning comes, that big, annoying, painful bump goes down significantly. And I noticed such a huge difference just after using this for like a few days. I know they say with skincare you should give it at least 30 days to show results, but when it comes to this product, it literally only takes a few days to see results. This is really powerful stuff. This is higher end skincare. Not looking to spend that much money, this probably isn't for you, but then again, if you're really looking for good quality skincare, then you really do have to spend a pretty penny for it. And this stuff, out of everything everything else I've ever tried, this is the one thing that I will forever love. Now, this next product that I want to talk about is more of kind of like a personal type serum, and this is for both guys and girls, or for anyone who shaves down below in your bikini area. Now, the one thing I have always struggled with every time I would shave, either my bikini line or I would go completely bare, even if I moisturize after the shower or after I shaved, I would always get really bad shaving irritation, those really ugly bumps, just not flattering, really itchy, really painful, really red. That's just something that can happen with shaving, and my friend recently told me about this product. You can get it at Walmart for about $5 to $6. That is the Bikini Zone Medicated After Shave Gel, and here's what the packaging looks like. I have been using this for about a month now, and this stuff is amazing. If you're someone out there who's like me, who has sensitive skin, where every time after that you shave, you get those really annoying, you know, like bumps that itch really bad and turn really red, and they just are just really unsightly. It's almost like it's just better to have hair down there rather than the shaving irritation, because it's just so annoying. But my friend told me about this product, and she said it works really well, and I'm here to testify that this stuff is amazing. It is a lifesaver. Basically, it is just a little topical treatment. It has lidocaine, topical analgesic, something like that. Every time in the shower, if I'm either going to the beach or I'm going to a music festival where I know I'm going to be wearing bathing suits or I'm going to be wearing really skimpy outfits, I shave really good, and immediately after I shave, I make sure everything else is done in the shower, like I wash my hair, my body, you know, my feet, all that stuff. After I get out of the shower, I put a little bit of this on my finger and I lightly tap over every single area that I shaved, and literally you get no shaving irritation. This stuff literally makes you look like a beautiful, freshly waxed porn star. And then the second to last favorite that I have for this video, before we move on to some songs that I have been loving. I know you guys really missed that part of my favorites videos. So before we move on to that, I want to share a new deodorant that I have been loving lately, and again, this was also bought at Walmart. Now, if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know I always struggle to find really good deodorants. I'll find one that I really like, and then after a few weeks, my body like becomes immune to it, and I'm just back to smelling really bad. I don't know what it is. I don't sweat very much, but I do struggle with, like, you know, BO. I don't know what it is, but I can never find a deodorant that is strong enough and good enough to counteract it. Even the $15 deodorants, the medicated ones, they just do not work. And I was walking around Walmart and I did see these, and I bought 2 of them because I really wanted to try them out. And they are the Schmidt's Natural Deodorant. Neutralizes odor and absorbs wetness. So here's what the packaging looks like of these, and I have been using these for about a few weeks now, and they're amazing. I love them, and a really big plus of these guys is they are all natural. So there is no aluminum, no polyethylene glycol, no artificial fragrance. And they come in many different scents. I think there's about 4 or 5 different ones. They have lavender, unscented, they have the charcoal magnesium, and then they have the rose and vanilla. The rose and vanilla is definitely my favorite out of the 2, and I feel so much better about using these deodorants because, like, there is no aluminum, and these are award-winning natural formulas, and they smell, oh, they smell so good. The only thing I will say about these deodorants is that there are a few cons and a few things that I don't like about them. One thing I do really like is that they are cruelty-free, but the one thing I don't like about them is the actual stick is very hard. Like with other deodorants, they just kind of glide right on, whereas this one, it's a little bit more hard, so you kind of almost have to really dig into your armpit to get any of the deodorant onto your skin, which kind of sucks. But as far as keeping me fresh and smelling good all day, it really does work, because again, my job does require me to be running around and moving constantly on the job, so I do sweat a lot, but at the end of the day, when I come home and smell my armpits, they still smell nice and fresh, and I love that. Alright, and that is everything as far as products go for my monthly favorites. Now we can move on to a couple songs that I have been loving. There are a few songs that I have really been loving for this month, but I'm not going to play them for you guys because they make me cry, because they remind me a lot of my dad, so I'm not even going to talk about about them, but I have had separate songs that I do really enjoy that just really make me think of my dad and keep me calm. But we're gonna only focus on the fun, uplifting, you know, good songs, happy songs. So the first song that I have really been liking is the song, now this has been my favorite song since like the beginning of summer. That is the song by Bazzi, and it is the song Mine. Now I first heard this song on the radio, and when I first heard it, I really didn't think anything of it. I was just kind of like, oh, that's a cool song. And then I heard it again, and then I heard it again, and then I heard it again, and I became obsessed with it. It is such a sexy song. It is an amazing song. I love it. Every time it comes out, I'm just like, ooh, I love him. And I also really like his song Beautiful, I think it's called. He's amazing. The only thing I don't like about this song is it's not even 2.5 minutes long. It's only 2 minutes and 15 seconds. I'm like, this song should be like 6 minutes long because it's so amazing. I'm sure many of you know what song I'm talking about it, but I am going to play a little bit of it here for you guys, but not too much because I don't want to get copyright and I don't want YouTube to hate me. So without further ado, here's the song Mine by Bazzi.
You so fucking precious when you smile. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste your time. Not just lay with me, not away with me, you're mine.
Like, do you see what I mean? Like, I have goosebumps everywhere. I just love that song. I think it is so sexy. I love the lyrics to it. It's very meaningful. Then the next song that I have really been liking is kind of along the same lines, a very uplifting, very sexy, very fun song, and that is by Loud Luxury featuring Brando, and that is the song Body. I recently heard this on Pandora, and again, it was one of those songs where the first time I heard it, I fell in love with it. I became obsessed with it, and I listen to it all the time. It's very fun to dance to. I love it, and I suck at dancing. Like, I am very much like a typical ass white girl who can't dance. I don't care. Like, I know I can't dance, but it's just so fun for me. I do it anyway, and this song really brings it out. So let's go ahead and listen to Body.
Babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. low, gotta keep it down. You wanna ride in the six, you wanna dine in the six. They said you some bitch, and I'm like, hell no, been waiting too long. Hell no, I want that cruel love. Body in my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body in my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body in my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body in my, finding all my innocence. Body in my, losing all my innocence. Body in my, finding all my innocence. Body in my.
That song makes you work up a sweat, and I love it. Yeah, as you can see, I've just been really liking kind of like these sexy, fun love songs lately. I don't know why, they're just really uplifting to me. They're a lot of fun, and those are the top 2 that I have been enjoying lately. So if you want to check them out, they are both on YouTube. But as far as that goes, that is the end of my September 2018 favorites. I really hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I forgot how much fun I had filming them. So if you did like this and you would like to see more, show me by giving this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see more monthly favorites videos in the future. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!